Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: how to prepare financially for starting a family. Starting a family is an exciting milestone, but it's crucial to ensure you're financially prepared for the responsibilities that come with it. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Setting financial goals. Sit down with your partner and have an open conversation about your aspirations and expectations for starting a family. Write down your short-term and long-term financial goals. Consider factors like buying a home, saving for education expenses, and creating an emergency fund. Step 2. Budgeting. Take a closer look at your income and expenses to determine where your money is going. Identify areas where you can cut back on expenses and redirect that money towards your financial goals. Step 3. Building an emergency fund. Start setting aside a portion of your income each month to establish a safety net. Experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. Step 4. Reviewing your insurance coverage. Evaluate your health insurance, life insurance, and disability insurance. Ensure you have adequate coverage for your family's needs and consider adding policies to protect your loved ones financially. Step 5. Saving for education. Start exploring options like 529 plans or other education savings accounts. These plans offer tax advantages and help you save specifically for your child's future education expenses. Step 6. Seeking professional advice. Consider consulting a financial advisor who specializes in family planning. They can provide personalized guidance, help you optimize your financial strategies, and ensure you're on the right track. And that wraps up our guide on how to prepare financially for starting a family. Remember, planning ahead and being proactive will set you up for a smoother financial journey as you welcome your little bundle of joy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time.